Man, what is up, YouTube, man? It's been a minute since I chopped it up with y'all, man. I got a lot of shit that I done did to this car. A lot of shit going on, but that's what the video is going to be for, to keep y'all tuned in for what's going on. But as you tell by the title and the thumbnail, we wide now, man. Black Beauty is wide. I told y'all Hemi thing was possible. We going to get this Hemi put together. I told y'all, now we're here, man. We done just transformed the whole car into a whole nother car, man. So I ain't gonna talk too much, man. We're gonna get straight into the video. Let y'all see this thing, man. There you go. All right, man. Y'all ready? Damn. Boy, look at that right there, boy. Come on, man. She wide, cuz. You see the Instagram, follow the Instagram. HT for the win, don't be stupid. So, while I stopped doing YouTube, I was still modding this car, bro, as you can tell. I never stopped. I just didn't pick the camera up. So, like I say, later video, we'll discuss about that as to why I was absent, you feel me? But, rocking the full vicrez wide body kit. Car D Hellcat hood. Y'all see the hood pin. Boy, stop playing with me, boy. I gotta get my vents on both sides. You can see them missing still. What else came with the car? The diffuser came with the car. I mean, not with the car, stupid ass. It came with the kit. Big ass diffuser. I actually had another diffuser that I had put on this car. I'll put a picture up. That was the diffuser that was on the car. I love the diffuser. I wanted to go back, but also in the picture you see the quad tips. So I had to get rid of my quad tips, man. I'm upset. Somebody called the doctor. So I gotta put 5 inches back there. What else I need for this car? So I got spacers on all four. I want to say they 2, 2.5. I can't remember exactly. But they black. You can barely see. You wouldn't even know, cuz. You wouldn't even know. Don't worry about it. I do plan on paint matching the hood. I just transformed the whole car. All my stripes. I had lime green stripes in there as well. Everything is gone. Everything is gone. So it's like the car naked to me. I'm trying to, I don't know, give it a little fluff right now. The crazy part about all this is I never stop modding once I put the camera down. So that's why I say in another video I'll tell y'all what was really going on, and you know, if you want to do it like that, we're gonna rock it like that. But it still wasn't for YouTube, still wasn't for the clout. Like I say, this is what I do, man. So this is my vision so far, and everything is going how I thought it would. Hopefully we can keep going, finish this car up, man. For those that don't know, we let Shadow go, man. That's the car we started the channel off with. A lot of other sentimental reasons for the car, but can't build 2 cars right now, you know. I ain't Big Bang Hank, you feel me? Oh, also, we did get the tire letters in, man. Oh, yeah. So yeah, man, that's the whip, man. It's a whole nother, you know what I'm saying? A whole nother beast. I was riding around with the OEM hood that came with the car, and people still thought it was a 2020. You know, I didn't want to post the car without the Hellcat hood. Originally, I wanted the red out hood, but I just didn't want to spend that much money from where I was getting it from at the time. And then another thing was, I wasn't sure how I was going to feel picking the car up with the OEM hood still on it and not the hood that I wanted. So me and my homie JJ, shout out to Jay, you know, we didn't know how to feel walking in. You know, we both looked at each other like it's the same thing. Like, you know, you seen one wide body, you seen another one. But somebody told me, like, but it's your wide body. I'm like, you know, that makes sense. But, you know, my expectations for going in without the hood wasn't high, because I really wanted the hood on when the kit went on. But at the end, for a reason, man, we ended up getting it. It looked just as mean as I thought it would. Any gaps in the this dumbass cat just fell off the garbage can. Goof ass nigga, boy. Anyway, I guess this is delivery of the wide body, man. Road and track, man. This ain't no regular degular. You better do your research, man. It really ain't no regular degular now, man. Come on, I told y'all, Hemi thing is possible. We gonna get this Hemi put together. Nobody believed me, bro. I disappeared and shit, nigga. They still ain't believe me. They don't want you to come back. You feel me? They don't want you. They don't want you to win. They don't want to see you win. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta keep going, man. Keep following your dreams, man. Keep doing what you want to do. That's what's really what this car shit mainly about, man. Build the car how you want to build it, you know? Built, not bought looking ass. Everybody's been rocking with me, man. I feel like I owe it to y'all to come back and drop these videos. So We're gonna keep building this car, man. We're gonna keep dropping videos at least 3 days a week, you know, some little extra slide in here, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, if you can hear me, you can understand. Yiddy!